Imagine holding an idea in your mind, then, hours later, holding it in your hands. That's the magic of 3D printing. It doesn't just change how we make things, it changes who gets to make them and what's possible. Back in the 80s, 3D printing was pure science fiction. Fast forward, and now you'll find 3D printers in classrooms, hospitals, and even on the International Space Station. Whether it's rapid prototyping a new smartphone or building custom prosthetics for a child, the technology is everywhere. But how does it work? Picture this. You design something in a CAD program, slice it up in software, and watch as your printer lays it down, layer by layer. It's like a hot glue gun with a PhD, using melted plastic, lasers, or even powdered metal to build from the ground up. And it's not just about plastic toys or cool gadgets. We're talking 3D printed rockets, life-saving organ models, and recycled ocean plastic reborn as useful tools. The possibilities? Almost endless. There are still challenges: speed, size, even concerns about piracy and safety. But the future? Think self-assembling furniture, printed homes, and maybe, just maybe, organs ready for transplant. 3D printing isn't just a tool, it's a revolution, one layer at a time. The next industrial age? It starts right on your desk.